Hello, in this short video, I'll tell you about the reliable platform in the category The Best Website Builders. After testing a huge number of website builders, I found the best one that suited me perfectly. I make over $100,000 a year with it, and I've been using it for over a decade. I will reveal to you 7 very useful features that not many people know about, but that will be really useful for you. I'll leave a link to the official website below the video, so pay close attention. I have something to show you.
Hello, and today we will help you find out more about one of the best and most reliable website builders. But before starting, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because here you can find all the most interesting about the constructors for your sites. We try to make the best reviews for you, and we get started. Introducing Duda. In today's gig economy, more and more people are going it alone. Whether you're a freelance web professional, startup entrepreneur, or a small web production agency, it can be difficult to ramp up your business as it grows. You need to solicit new clients to grow, but you can't neglect your current clients either. Sometimes subcontracting can help eliminating a backlog, but ultimately you're accountable for everything from design to copy, functionality, system administration, and customer support. Growing your business can sometimes feel like a no-win situation. A fully responsive website builder. Consider then Duda and its pair of responsive mobile site builders. If you're a web designer, developer, or writer, or some combination of all three, Duda can help your business grow. Its drag-and-drop, fully responsive site builder allows you to get your customers' websites up and running faster and easier than other content management systems, including WordPress. About Duda. Headquartered in Palo Alto, California, Duda hosts over 9 million websites. Launched in 2010 by a few college friends, the Dudes, Duda was founded as an easy-to-use platform for small business owners to use to create websites. Since then, it's evolved to also address the challenges faced by small web agencies in building mobile websites. Although the original mobile site builder is still extant, its functionality grew from a mobile-only design platform into a broader site builder that makes creating responsive websites that look great on any device incredibly easy. What's with the name Duda? You Coen Brothers fans will appreciate the origin of the service's name. It's a nod to the main character in the founder's favorite film, The Big Lebowski. Fortunately, they didn't go with one of the dude's other nicknames, like El Duderino. Duda's infrastructure. Although Duda doesn't provide the kind of specifics about their network or hardware infrastructure that fully featured web host provides, what they do share is more impressive than most site builders, especially regarding page load speed. Secure cloud hosting. All Duda sites are hosted by Amazon Web Services, AWS. Global Content Delivery Network. Duda's global CDN hosts all bandwidth-intensive files like images, PDFs, and other documents. Dynamic serving. Duda's serving optimized content served based on the type of device requesting the content. That means, for example, that when a mobile device requests a page, the faster loading mobile version of the site is loaded rather than the slower loading desktop version of the same page. Google Page Speed Preferred. Duda is the only website builder that's preferred by Google PageSpeed. Preferred status is bestowed only upon sites that follow Google's best practices for improving web page load times. Optimizing for speed happens automatically on all of Duda's sites every time you publish or update a site. Why is page load speed important? Google's latest algorithms are built to favor faster loading sites, especially those that are responsive or mobile optimized. Google's data backs up their stance. Faster sites have longer visitor sessions, lower bounce rates, and more page views. For every second longer your site takes to load, your site gets an estimated 7% fewer conversions. Speed is related to your bottom line. Backups. Duda's paid plans come with both automatic and manual backups. You can revert back from up to 20 automated backups or 10 stored manual backups. Duda's responsive website builder. If you're a freelancer or a small agency, Time is worth a lot more than mere money. To grow your business, you need to create better websites with better design and functionality faster than your competition can do it. Let's take a look at 10 ways how Duda can ease your load while building a website. You don't have to learn a code of any sort, although it doesn't hurt to know. A front-end drag-and-drop interface allowing you to craft as you go. Pre-designed sectioning for your website, eliminating the hassle of architecture. One-click SSL certification, increasing brand trust. Front-end editing on the go for a faster flow. Unlimited resources like storage and bandwidth, so no worry for exhaustion. Hosted by the infamous AWS, a trustworthy source. 99.99% uptime, saving your money, time, and inconvenience. Multiple languages, ideal for international teams as well as customers. Developer mode available, should you wish to get your developers to work instead. Duda's responsive site builder can give you that edge. You can build websites in 2 different ways. Import the information from existing sites. The easiest way to get started creating a Duda site is to import all the information contained on an already existing website. So if your client needs a replacement, getting their site information takes 0 work on your part or your client's. Just input the old site's URL and Duda automatically imports the information to the right widgets and pages, all within the new theme you've chosen. The site builder can even detect and copy color schemes from the old site. How was the Site Importer tool? We tried the active Site Importer tool and found it easy to use. First you pick a template and then indicate what devices you'd like to optimize for. When we imported our active site, the site builder picked up most of the important information: page structure, contact details, social information, and some text. A few hiccups. However, it also made some strange choices for photos, seeming to choose them at random. The good news is that it's extremely easy to fix these little hiccups, and overall you do save a lot of time. Branded questionnaire for web design discovery process. If your client doesn't have an existing website and wants you to create something from scratch, Duda allows you to send a form-filled questionnaire asking for the pertinent information. The questionnaire is branded with your company's name and logo, so your client never needs to know that Duda exists. More in later sections about Duda's white label protocol. Products. The form also allows your customers to upload images for your use or reference. Drag and drop design. Duda's responsive website builder frees you from as much web coding and development as you like. You can stick with their widget-based modules to create WYSIWYG designs and functionality. Or you can make use of your web development skills in customizing HTML and CSS coding via developer mode. Duda's site builder provides site templates, all of which are responsive. Over 100 fonts, stock photos, parallax effects, and flat icons to choose from. You can even copy and paste elements in different parts of a site or across sites. Additionally, once you've created a site, you can clone it to a new site or create a template out of it. Widgets. Duda's site builder offers an impressive array of widgets, blocks of pre-coded design or functional modules, including pop-ups and contact forms that can be integrated with your MailChimp or Constant Contact mailing list or a Google Sheet. Click to call and click to email buttons, which are especially handy for mobile sites. Appointment scheduling with Visita and OpenTable reservations. Issue coupon codes. Facebook or discuss comments. Upload files like PDFs or spreadsheets. Maps. Accept PayPal donations. Social sharing. Twitter and Yelp feeds. Widget Builder. If you don't see what you want among the ready-made widgets, you can create your own custom-made modules. Although the Widget Builder allows for customization, the Site Builder prevents your custom widgets from breaking the existing ones. You can even set the site's permissions to allow your customers to change these custom widgets from their own dashboards. More about customer roles and permissions below. Blogs. Adding a blog is as easy as adding a new page to a site, and it's automatically added to your site's top menu. You can import an existing blog from an RSS feed, including titles, formatting, videos, images, comments, as well as post author and date. When you create a new blog, an initial welcome to our blog post is automatically generated. The blog can be configured for multiple authors, and it can report basic metrics like page views. dynamic content, and personalization. One of the unique and most impressive features of Duda's Site Builder is the ability to add dynamic content to any website, even on free plans. You can set personalized content to appear to a visitor based on a large number of triggers like actions, time of day, the day of the year, geolocation, and the number of previous visits. Triggers can then call up content and other actions, including displaying coupons, holiday-themed images, pop-ups of all kinds, feedback requests, and Facebook like buttons. You can also create your own triggers and actions. Here are some additional features of Duda's Site Builder plans. Image manipulation, search engine optimization, developer mode, multi-language translation, custom domains, customer permissions, image manipulation. In addition to adding free stock photos or your own images, Duda's Site Builder allows for basic photo editing like cropping, rotating, and resizing. You can upload images from Dropbox, Google Drive, and Facebook. There are also widgets to create galleries and image sliders and Facebook albums. There are over 1,000 available icons too. Search engine optimization. Automatic sitemaps, open graph integration with Facebook and LinkedIn, customizable metadata, image alternate text, and support for 301 redirects come with most plans. Developer mode. Some site builders don't allow you to add your own HTML or CSS coding, but Duda allows you control in addition to the drag and drop interface. Multi-language translation. Using Google Translate, Duda's Site Builder makes it easy to create different versions of your site in 55 plus languages. You can even edit these pages after they're generated to make sure the translations are perfect. Custom domains. The top-level paid plans allow for site creation on custom domain names. Customer permissions. You can give your customers access to a limited version of Duda's Site Builder dashboard. You can set and block what changes they're allowed to make with granular permissions. E-commerce solutions by Duda. E-commerce sites can be complicated to replicate. Fortunately, Duda's Site Builder allows you to easily set up an online store using the same WYSIWYG interface, even on the free plan. For top-tier plans, the e-commerce functionality is impressive, especially compared to other site builder hosts. The difference between plans comes down to the number of products and integrations. The e-commerce functionality is included in the site builder plan you choose. Also, since the storefront is part of the website, it inherits all the same design elements for consistency. Here are some of Duda's best e-commerce features. Payment options. Your site's customers can use PayPal or Stripe for credit cards to buy items. Up to 30 plus other payment options are enabled on the top-tier plan. Unlike many site builder stores, Duda doesn't take a percentage of your transactions. Every cent you earn is yours alone. Shipping and taxes. Online stores can automatically add taxes and shipping times and prices. Your client can choose shipping providers like FedEx, UPS, and USPS, as well as the delivery turnaround times offered. Duda allows your customer to choose flat rate shipping or prices based on item weight. Store management. You and your client can create categories and customize product pages. Inventory management. Include multiple sizes and colors for your client's products. Merchants can also monitor their stock levels. You can configure the site to notify the merchant when the stock dips below a set threshold. Digital inventory. Duda's top-tier plan allows for sales of downloadable digital products like video, audio, images, ebooks, and more. Promotions. When your client discounts products, the website will display the full price as well as the discount. You can design coupon codes to apply to individual products or an entire order. Store analytics. Track performance of your email campaigns, affiliate links, and pay-per-click campaigns. Security. Free SSL encryption certificates can be requested. However, custom coding that loads insecurely from an HTTP server won't work on an SSL site. Duda makes it easy for the small business owner to create a website. They also offer many ways for website consultants or agencies to grow their business. Duda's responsive website builder can make it easier and faster to add more clients. You can also opt to become a Duda reseller or find subcontractors for your project. Those who create websites for a living should seriously consider Duda and its wealth of tools for small businesses. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we have all the fun about the best website builders. You can also find a huge number of reviews on a variety of topics. Like and comment. We are doing our best for you.